In this video we are going to look at the ALPAKA Bravo Backpack 9th anniversary edition, so limited edition. I just received it, as you can see right here. It's really a first impressions just after getting it. It will not be so much structured, it will just be my thoughts. And I also got this 9th anniversary patches from ALPAKA. As you can see right here, they are looking super good. So we will check them out and check this pack. Let's go! It's a limited edition. As I'm doing this video, there are 75 of these backpacks left. They also did a sling, Metro sling, that is out of stock. And you have about, I think, 45 or something like that of these patches left. And if you are watching this after, then maybe you can find some on the used market. For the others, the links will be down below. Okay, so as I said, this is a Bravo backpack. The feel and the pockets and everything is the same as the standard Bravo backpack that I didn't review yet on this channel, so it's my first time also getting this pack. The main differences are the materials. I love this material. I already got it on the 12-liter Metro backpack. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but you have a X pattern, kind of like Ultra, but it feels more like X-Pack, like an in-house X-Pack. It's called AxoGrid. It's a 300D, and it's better, I think, than their AxoFlux. I really like this material. It feels really premium, really good looking. I really like it. This is the main difference. You just have black as a choice. Then you have this sticker, of course, with a 9, and to commemorate the 9th anniversary of the brand, as you can see some very nice looking alpacas with a backpack, and the background, I don't really know where it is, but yeah, it's very good looking. And so you can remove it if you don't like it, and you have this patch of Velcro, and you can put other patches right here. So that's the second main difference. And the third one is the zipper pullers. As you can see, they are orange paracord with this little custom-made aluminum thing, really nice looking, with a little 9, commemorate the 9th anniversary. What's more, I think the other thing is on the inside, so I put some stuff inside for it to have a nice shape, but as you can see, it's the orange interior that I don't think is available right now for the Bravo backpack. Usually they do it with the X-Pack, but now they also do it with this AxoGrid fabric, the same on my Metro backpack 12-liter. So let's check what they say here. 9, like 9th anniversary, keep moving forward. Okay, if you want to read, everything is right here. You can pause. 9th anniversary edition, padded 16 laptop sleeve. Okay, spacious. This is the same as the standard one. You have the dimensions and the volume. You have the mod key teaser, and that's it. So let's remove this. That's it. Now it's not brand new. Before going to the details, maybe I will show you patches. So as you can see, 9th anniversary patches. You have all the people that did these patches, so from all over the world. And here you have the patches. As you can see, I will show them to you like this. Keep moving forward, which is the motto of ALPAKA. You can pause if you want to see more details. Very nice looking. Which one is your preferred one? Tell me in the comments. And what you can do with this long patch, you can put 2 of them if you're interested. For example, I will put the first one. I can put it in the middle, or I can put 2 of them, okay? So I want this one, and then, I don't know, I will put this little one here, and I can do this. But of course, you can put any patch. You don't have to put these particular patches here. So if you're interested by the patches, 45 left, I think, when I'm making this video, so hurry up, links down below. So let's go back to the pack. We'll check the pockets and everything. So first of all, on the outside, you have 2 water bottle pockets with some mesh here. It works very well. You have the zipper pulls orange, I really like them. Then on the back, you have this harness system, which I think looks pretty damn good, and I think it's better padded than other ALPAKA packs. So it's from the Bravo backpack model, I think, but yeah, I prefer this padding. Then you have this tandem strap magnetic, standard ALPAKA. You have a luggage pass-through vertical like this, and it feels pretty comfortable. So that's for the harness system. You have a handle on the top. Then here you have nothing. On the construction, it makes me a little bit remember of the Elements line, but you don't have a pocket on the Elements. You have a zip here, and you have a secret pocket. Here you don't have it. And here you have some holes for the water to drain, if it needs to do that. Then I open with the super paracord right here, and I have orange interior. I have a pocket on this side. Usually, like on other alpaca backpacks, I have a pretty deep, but not until the bottom, until here, pocket. And then I have some little organization things, like 2 pen holders, a sleeve, and then the standard alpaca teaser, I think they call it, with a magnet. That's for the front pocket. And the zippers feel super nice. You have AquaGuard, same as on other alpaca backpacks. I also put something to fill it. And here you have the main pocket with also a little pouch like this with a kind of mesh. Here you have a lot of space. What you can see here are the water bottle pockets. So if you put a water bottle, it will eat up some space in the inside. Here you have the main compartment. So it's not fully clamshell, it opens like this. You have a very well padded back here to put your laptop, limited edition. A lot of space, but I don't feel the false bottom. So not really a false bottom at all. I mean, my fingers are here. So that's a downside, I think, no false bottom. Then you have a zippered pocket here, put some other stuff, and that's about it. A limited edition right here. Let's do a close-up of the material again. As you can see, maybe on the camera or not, you can see the grid pattern. Quickly, if I compare it to the Air CityPack Pro 2 in Ultra right here, height-wise, I think, yeah, it's taller than the Air, because the Air, they measure it until here, but it's taller, as you can see, right here. On the width, I think it's kind of the same. And yeah, on this dimension also, if you feel it, it's kind of the same. So it's pretty comparable, a little bit taller than the CityPack Pro. And here, compared to the EVERGOODS CPL24, yeah, pretty comparable, same height. It looks smaller, but it's 23 liter, maybe if you feel it, but like this one is empty also. It feels way smaller. But I think it will expand with stuff you put inside. So yeah, that was a quick comparison and a very quick first look at the ALPAKA Bravo Backpack 9th anniversary edition with the little patches right here. So if you're interested, it's right now, links below. Otherwise, I will do a full detailed video on this one, comparing it to other packs, but it's more about the Bravo Backpack model and not this special 9th anniversary edition. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Way more is coming. Thank you. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.